Hello, my name is Robert Pound, a product technologist. In this video, I'll be discussing what's new with Toad Data Point 3.6. Looking at Toad Data Point 3.6 for the first time, you can see the first thing that has been changed is the stylization of Toad Data Point. The UI has a new look and feel. In addition to the styling, the ribbon bar has been streamlined, and only those icons that are frequently used have been put at the top. Inside the tabs for each one of the files, the icons for the specific type of file have been added at the top. This means reduced clutter in the ribbon bar and easy access to those icons that are pertinent to the specific type of file. In addition to the look and feel, SOAKWOL support has been added for Salesforce. This means that when querying Salesforce, the queries are now more efficient and also push more of the workload to Salesforce itself. One of the other main features that have been added to 3.6 is the ability to do data profiling. So in the Query tab here, we can see the addition of the Profiling tab in the results set. If I look briefly at this, it gives us a distribution and breakdown of the unique fields, missing fields, null fields, etc., in addition to some information about each one of the fields. However, this is just a profile of the first 1,000 rows. To get the full profile, we could go directly from this link, or in the results set, in the grid itself, we can also send to data profiling. And there are several other ways to do this as well. There's a data profiling link at the top of the ribbon bar as well. From here, I will choose data profiling and go into the data profiling. So we can see the same summary page that we did in the results tab, with an explanation of each one of the fields for the data profiling. We also have statistics, which break down each one of the fields into the unique values and shows a histogram of where each one of those values lie. You can also put some percentiles in, depending on what you're looking at for the fields. We also have a frequency tag, which breaks down the frequency of each one of the values in the field. So for instance, if you're looking for last names or first names, you can see the count for each one of them, the percentage, etc. Then you have the Patterns tab. This allows you to see the type of expression in each one of the fields. So for instance, home phone, you can see there's only one pattern. However, for email addresses, you can see that there are different patterns for the email address themselves. You could have some that are hyphenated, etc. So this gives you an idea if you're doing any sort of find and replace action inside the field or any sort of manipulation of the field itself. This gives you an idea of what all is in the field. And then the language, this basically breaks down what type of character set and the white space, etc. And then a look at duplication. So in this field, it gives you a breakdown of the unique and distinct, similar to the summary page. And then if you wanted to do a comparison of duplicates for multiple fields, you could check duplicates, and this will give you a breakdown of the duplicates.